Hi, I'm Alex Rasmus. I'm a first year's math student from Stafford, Texas, and this is our athletic training lab. Let's go take a look at the facility.
Hi, I'm Morgan Dill. I'm a second-year master's student from Austin, Texas, and this is our conference room. We use this space to do group projects, study sessions, and sometimes it's used as a physician exam room. Now let's go take a look at our resource center.
Hi, I'm Katie. I'm a first-year master's student from Houston, and this is the student resource room. It's my favorite room because I can tuck myself away in here for as long as I need to study, but the futon can be kind of dangerous when you want to take a nap. So good luck studying. Now, let's go check out the main classroom.
Hi, my name is Stephanie Barrientos. I'm a second-year master's student from Mission, Texas. This is the main classroom area. We use the front for lectures, and in the back area with these tables, we do hands-on. I hope to see you one day here, and thanks for coming on our tour.